Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix camera app is not available on your iPhone or camera is app is disabled because of some bugs or some issues. So guys, as you all can see, I can't find my camera app. If I search share camera, I can't either find here. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restarting your device can often resolve these type of issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to do is simply open the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down and then tap on the general. Again you scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone completely and then restart it after 15 or 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update often include bug fixes and improvement. Tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.4.1. All I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can update it tonight. After updating to the latest version of iOS 17, then you have to do is simply turn off the screen time. You have to tap on screen time and you will see your option change screen time passcode, or as you can see, it will show like this. You will see an option of change screen time passcode. You have to do simply tap on it and tap on turn off screen time passcode. Enter your screen time passcode and turn it off. After turning it off, then you have to do simply tap on content and privacy restrictions, tap on allowed apps and then enable the camera app and done. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix can't access to the camera app or camera app can't find out. So guys, as you can see, now camera app is available and I can use my camera. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.